Hey guys, so for today's video, we are doing heatless Hollywood waves. I'm super excited about this video and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So for today's video, we are gonna use bun makers. If you don't know what a bun maker is, well, it is this, it is this guy right here. This is a bun maker and we are gonna use this to give us heatless waves. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put a couple pictures up here, I don't know, somewhere on the screen. So if you don't know what a bun maker is, you basically just put your ponytail through here, roll it up, and it creates like a sock donut bun, whatever you call it. I'll put a couple pictures here, and this is what these are used for. But we're not using these to make buns, we're using these to make heatless Hollywood waves. So I didn't know what size I would need for my hair, so I got a pack that includes a large one and a small one. So here's the size difference, as you can see. Didn't know what to expect. Knowing what I know now after seeing it in person, I probably would have just went with this size for my hair because my hair comes all the way down to here. If you have shorter hair, maybe, you know, shoulder length, then this might be a lot more appropriate, but we're gonna work with it and this is all we have to use today, so we're gonna use it. So I have a section on each side and I'm just gonna wrap both sections around one of these. So first thing you wanna do is just brush your hair through, make sure there are not any tangles. If your heatless curls always fall, then this would be a good time to use a mousse or a styling cream to help the longevity of your heatless curls the next day. So now that my hair is nice and brushed out, this is just water, but I'm just gonna spritz a little tiny bit. You do not want your hair to be wet. You just want it to be like a little bit of a mist. So I'm just gonna take this and just mist it. Mist it. Again, just mist it. So I think I'm gonna save the smaller ones because it came in a pack of 4 and I got 2 packs. I don't know if I said that, but I got 2 packs. 4 came in each pack. So I have a total of 4 short and 4 big. So, yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna use the long one for each of my bottom sections. So you're just gonna take the long one or short one, depending on your hair, and then put it under your hair and just literally wrap it. Make sure you're not flat wrapping it. You're just doing a simple wrap like I'm doing. Nothing crazy, just a wrap. Just gonna take it and roll it in so it's nice and tight to my head. Now I'm gonna take the top part and I'm just going to push it down, make sure it's nice and secure, and then do the same thing with the bottom. Take the bottom and we're just going to roll it up like that, and now everything is nice and pinned, and it should be good until tomorrow. So that's what that side looks like. Just wrap it around, nothing special. So again, I'm gonna make sure it's rolled nice and tight against my head. Just take the bottom, go up, take the top, and then push it down. So now we have our final section. I think I'm gonna use the smaller ones in the front, so I'm gonna do the same thing and just mist my hair. If there's anything I've learned with heatless curls, you do not want your hair to be wet or even like really damp. It just doesn't work. So just mist, 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 mist. And then brush. And then I'm just gonna split my hair into 2 sections. And I'm just gonna do the same thing, just wrap it. Twist it in, bend it. So when you're bending the bottom of the bun maker, make sure you're bending it so it goes over wherever your ends are. And if you have layered hair and hair sticking out, you can always bobby pin those hairs that are sticking out. So if you are someone who moves around a lot at night or your hair gets really frizzy when you sleep, you can always use a shower cap or whatever type of hair cap, scarf, whatever you have over your curls so that you wake up and they're nice and frizz-free and smooth. So I'm just gonna spin around real quick, show you guys what they look like, and I'll see you in the morning. All right, so we're just getting right into the next day. I did my makeup and this is what my curls look like when I begin to take them out. They are so springy and just bouncy and so beautiful. These honestly weren't too bad to sleep in, 10 being most comfortable. I think I'd give them a 7. So you kind of have to move them around. I'm a side sleeper to get comfortable, but once I found that, you know, sweet spot, it was fine. And I didn't have any trouble with them. But look at these curls. Look how good they look. Okay, so here is what they look like up close. They are very bouncy, very springy. So now, just trying to think what I should do. I think I'm just gonna take my comb and just kind of like go up like this, because I feel like I see people do that online with Hollywood waves. They just kind of do like that. Ooh, yeah. So I'm just doing this in between like each section. So I'm just gonna kind of gently brush through them. Okay, I forgot to hairspray these, so this is just a brushable, workable, flexible hairspray. I'm really not sure how to really play with these, but I think just how they are, they look really beautiful. I just love the curl pattern of like Hollywood waves. Here's what my waves look like when I pull them to the side, and I just kind of brush them out a little bit. And you can see they keep their shape. They're so beautiful, so just like classy and formal looking. I wish I had like a different shirt. I feel like this shirt's not very like classy, but we can pretend. Yeah, I just love it. I just think they look so good. I don't have any in my room right now that I'm in, but I would definitely take like a pin or something over here and just kind of pin it back like this, and then pull all your hair over and just have like a pretty type of barrette or something. And this would look so good, so pretty. So then I just kept brushing them out because I just wanted to see if that would change the curl pattern. Like I said earlier, I'm not really sure how to style or really what to do with Hollywood waves, so I was just kind of playing around with them at this point. But they still look good. So I might mess up my curls, but I really want to show you guys what they look like up in a ponytail, because they're going to look so pretty. So we saw what they look like down, let's see what they look like up. So I just put my hair up in a regular ponytail, nothing special. I did take some hair from the ponytail and then just wrapped it around the hair tie and bobby pinned it underneath to hide it. And then just kind of gave it a little bit of a tease up at the top. And then this is what the ponytail ended up looking like. So this confirmed putting your hair up with these curls looks super cute. So final thoughts, I think these turned out beautiful. I will definitely be doing them and using them again. They're different than my robe curls. I think they give a bit of a different curl. Robe curls are obviously free and super easy to use. They're comfortable to sleep in, but this is just another option for you if you want to try it out. So that is it. That is the video. I hope you guys like this. I hope you'll try it. I will link everything in my description box for you to check out. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Please subscribe. We're almost at 200K. I'm so excited about that. I love you guys. Again, thanks for watching.